Hi, I'm Lesley and this is Scoutadelic and I'm going to teach you how to do an Italian hitch. So sometimes when you're climbing you might take a group out and you might need to do some group management and keep everybody amused at the same time. So you'll use a belaying technique called bell ringing, and to do that we can use an Italian hitch. So I've got my able assistant Donna and we are going to get Donna hooked up so that she can belay Chris up the wall. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take our rope and put a loop in it, okay, so that the top end, okay, is with your right hand, okay. Then we're going to do exactly the same and then close it like a book. We get hold of that and we pull it, and that is your Italian hitch. We're going to attach that now to Donna. We use a HMS for this. This is a big carabiner, okay, and this means that when she is belaying it will flip over like this. So Donna is now our anchor and she's got her Italian hitch in the HMS. She's going to get hold of this rope and pull it down, and I'm going to pull out at the same time. All of your group will be attached to the dead rope and they're all involved in the system all at the same time.